Welcome to another travel video featuring the Galapagos Islands, Ecuador. I arrived at the airport early in the morning, went through the security check, and then looked around for some breakfast. Wow, there's a huge line at the McDonald's inside the airport. I boarded the flight in Fort Lauderdale and headed to Guayaquil, a town in Ecuador. At the Guayaquil airport, you need to pay $20 to buy the tourist card, which allows you to enter Baltro Airport in the Galapagos Islands. Once the entry formalities were completed, the paid island transport took travelers to the ferry to reach Santa Cruz Island, the first stop in this island chain. The tour includes the Charles Darwin Research Station, a world-renowned center dedicated to conservation efforts and scientific research on the unique wildlife of the Galapagos. At the station, visitors can learn about various species of giant tortoises and other endemic animals, as well as the ongoing projects aimed at preserving their habitats. Additionally, the history and significance of the theory of evolution, which Charles Darwin formulated based on his observations in the Galapagos, can be explored. This visit offers a fascinating glimpse into the natural world that inspired one of the most important scientific theories of all time.
The ranger-assisted tour at the Charles Darwin Research Station, available for a modest fee of $10, offers an enriching and educational experience, providing visitors with in-depth insights into the unique biodiversity of the Galapagos Islands. Guided by knowledgeable rangers, the tour covers various aspects of the research station's work, including its vital conservation efforts and scientific projects. Visitors are introduced to the station's primary initiatives, such as the breeding programs for endangered species like the giant tortoises, which have been pivotal in preventing their extinction and restoring their populations across the islands. As part of the tour, visitors have the unique opportunity to see giant tortoises up close in their natural habitat and learn about the meticulous care and research that go into these breeding programs. The rangers provide detailed explanations of the life cycle of these iconic reptiles, the threats they face from introduced species, and the innovative strategies being employed to combat these challenges. The tour also highlights the station's efforts to manage and eradicate invasive species that threaten the delicate balance of the Galapagos ecosystem. Visitors learn about the complex logistics and science behind these projects, including the use of technology and field research to track and control invasive populations. In addition to the hands-on conservation work, the tour delves into the historical significance of the Galapagos and the development of Charles Darwin's theory of evolution. The rangers explain how Darwin's observations of the island's diverse wildlife contributed to his groundbreaking ideas on natural selection. Visitors gain a deeper understanding of the natural processes and evolutionary history that have shaped the unique flora and fauna of the Galapagos. Through interactive displays, educational exhibits, and engaging discussions, the ranger-assisted tour provides a comprehensive and immersive experience. It emphasizes the importance of preserving this extraordinary natural heritage and inspires visitors to contribute to conservation efforts.
Maximum an hour, 30 minutes. Okay. Let's go then.
Okay.
Sure. Let's go. So this is like a loop, more or less. We have it here.
Okay.
Yeah. This is one of the 17 species of Darwin finches that we have. So, to recognize it, we can recognize now checking the beak here, because the big adaptation in the beaks depends where they eat. So this is a medium ground finch, so it has a medium size of beak. The other ones are huge, the large ground finch. So it is now bigger tips. Of course, they can be collected from the ground, they can be collected from the top of the trees. Now it's looking for something. This is a mangrove. See, that is called bottom mangrove. One of the 4 species of mangroves that we have here. And this is the fruits. Yeah, sometimes also they crack it. All the ones that are all on the ground too. And that's what the big is. The thing is, there was a single ancestor of finches that arrived to the Galapagos. Now, but they got, adapted and evolved in the different ecosystems. When it's raining, like raining season, there's plenty of food for them to eat. When it's a dry season, and that's the problem, because and then they have to select them. That's why they did modify the beak to select food that they have in the place that they live. So the insects and seeds, blood, parasites, all kind of stuff that helps them to survive in very hard situations. Yeah. So and that's why they keep evolving. So now there's 17, and there is one species that is in the white, almost yeah. And that's what we can see. So normally we see like gray, we see black too. If I see this gray, so it's telling me that it's a female because it's a difference in sex. Yeah, and the males they're black. Yeah, but in the ground finches that mostly we find here, but we go higher up. And then we have the tree finches. So, and that forest always is green in the highlands. So that's why they have a greeny color, like a bit like a brown, gray, but a green to camouflage. So different adaptations. So like the lizards, for example, we have the lava lizards right here. No, they don't look the same color. Depends on the place that they are living. They live in the black and lava flows. They are darker. Yeah, And now it's green, so the color is green of this lava lizard. Yeah, when it dries up, the vegetation in the dry season, yeah, and then of course it's going to be gray. Yeah, so this is about the color, about all this.
The tour not only showcases the remarkable biodiversity of the Galapagos, but also underscores the global significance of the research and conservation work being carried out at the Charles Darwin Research Station.
A little bit about the cactus. See the cactus, the very giant. We have the tallest cactus in this island, in the south part. So this is a cactus that is dying, of course. So they live so long. We have information about the cactus. They live 300 years old. So you can get it. Depends, no? Everything is stable because they live in the subtropical weather. Yeah, when it's like it's raining a lot. Now we're having a Niño phenomenon right now. We don't know how long this is going to be. And that's why still we have rain. So in July, it almost ends in July, and we have rain, yes. Now, so sometimes it's not good because they get waterlogged and cool down. Or strong winds can also push them down too. Yeah. So anyways, we have the giant cactus here in this island because if you go around the other islands, you will see that they look very different. Not like the lizard.
Nestled within the captivating landscape of Santa Cruz Island in the Galapagos archipelago, the Charles Darwin Foundation stands as a bastion of conservation and scientific inquiry. Founded in 1959, this institution has become synonymous with the preservation of the unique biodiversity that defines the Galapagos ecosystem. The Foundation's sprawling campus, nestled amidst lush vegetation and teeming with endemic flora and fauna, serves as both a hub for cutting-edge research and a beacon of hope for the fragile ecosystems of these enchanted islands. At the heart of the Charles Darwin Foundation's mission is its unwavering commitment to scientific excellence and environmental stewardship. Through its state-of-the-art research facilities and a dedicated team of scientists, the Foundation conducts groundbreaking research aimed at unraveling the mysteries of evolution, biodiversity and ecological dynamics in the Galapagos. From studying the intricate interactions between species to monitoring the impacts of climate change on delicate ecosystems, the Foundation's research initiatives provide invaluable insights into the complex web of life that thrives in this remote archipelago. But the Foundation's impact extends far beyond the realm of scientific research. Recognizing the critical importance of community engagement and environmental education, the Charles Darwin Foundation plays an active role in empowering local communities and fostering a culture of conservation stewardship. Through a wide range of educational programs, outreach initiatives, and collaborative projects with schools and community organizations, the Foundation inspires the next generation of conservation leaders and equips them with the knowledge and tools they need to protect their natural heritage. Moreover, the Charles Darwin Foundation serves as a catalyst for collaborative conservation action on a global scale. Through strategic partnerships with government agencies, nonprofit organizations, and international institutions, the Foundation leverages collective expertise and resources to develop science-based management strategies and policies for protecting the Galapagos Islands' fragile ecosystems. From pioneering invasive species eradication programs to advocating for sustainable tourism practices, The Foundation's collaborative efforts are driving positive change and shaping the future of conservation in the Galapagos and beyond. As visitors stroll through the lush gardens in Wynn,
we had 15 species in the past, and now we have 11. Yeah, and of course, few number of tortoises. That's why we needed to plant this. Since 1960. So we reproduce here a species from this island, Santa Cruz. Then we have Floriana. We have Santiago, and we have Espanol.
The Charles Darwin Foundation and its Tortoise Breeding Center have played pivotal roles in advancing our understanding of biodiversity in the Galapagos Islands. Particularly concerning the iconic giant tortoises. Since its establishment in 1959, the Foundation has been instrumental in conducting scientific research, conservation initiatives, and educational programs focused on the unique flora and fauna of the Galapagos. Through extensive field studies, monitoring programs, and collaborative efforts with local communities, The Foundation has contributed to the documentation and conservation of numerous species inhabiting the archipelago. Specifically, the Tortoise Breeding Center, established within the Foundation's premises, has been instrumental in the recovery and preservation of several endangered species of giant tortoises.
Now the female is in the left side, a little bit more orange than neck, and the male is larger than has a black. They get an advantage of food available right now because the reptiles normally they eat the weed when there is food available. Yeah, now raining, there's a lot of food for them. They eat, and that's why there's a special time for all these reptiles and land birds. They reproduce more than normal. Yeah.
Which were once on the brink of extinction due to human activities and habitat degradation. Through captive breeding programs and habitat restoration efforts, the center has played a vital role in increasing the populations of these emblematic species. Thereby contributing to the overall biodiversity of the Galapagos Islands. While the exact number of species documented and studied by the Charles Darwin Foundation and its Tortoise Breeding Center may vary over time due to ongoing research and discoveries, their collective efforts have undoubtedly enriched our understanding of the unique biodiversity of the Galapagos and underscored the importance of conservation in preserving these fragile ecosystems for future generations. Saturday, and today they don't get food, yeah? Because they have a schedule, so they have today is Monday, Wednesday, and Friday, and they get food. You can see part of it. They've been eating leftover from yesterday, of course, and just wait until Monday. But of course, they have other plans. And then we can see completely the mating time, and this is how the female is digging a hole and laying the eggs, and then
but they must be transferred to the containers very careful. See that? To not damage the embryo, things like that. And then using the hair dryer and the thermostat to regulate the temperatures. That is going to take 120 days. And then you know about the temperatures. You see that? Set the sex, the males and females. And then after that, the 120 days, and then we have the little babies that ready to come. It takes from 2 to 6 days, and they eat. During the nesting time, the females, because normally where we find them depends of the size and the altitude. Missing two? More people?
Yeah, like two more people went to the restroom.
Three members stand here.
Yeah, they were there.
They're not here.
They're,
They need to come?
yeah, they are coming.
Because they're not there. Because if they clone, they say they're going to have Rita, George. But let me tell you the story about him. Alright, so let me tell you a little bit about Lamson George. Yeah, so here we have Lamson George, the last tortoise of Pinta Island. Pinta, there is a map right here. You can see the map. Pinta is over the equator line. It's a very small island in the north where it comes from wood. Yeah, so the thing is that we had information about 1906 when we had this Academia California of Science. They were doing research in the Galápagos. They went to Pinta Island, and then they just got the three tortoises they found, just to exceed in the museums. So, and then we had the information in 1906. They could extinct the species from Pinta Island. Yeah, called Chelonoidis abindor. Then what happened in 1971, we had a scientist that came to do research of land snails. And then in Pinta, when he was doing research, and then he found a tortoise. He found a tortoise, and when he came here, he passed the information that he saw a tortoise. So all these scientists, they were so back the species that already are extinct, like Floriana. Yeah, and then through the genes, because in wild volcanoes, mixed genes, how we explain. In the time of these whales, they were chasing whales, and probably they were carrying, because all of them, they were carrying tortoises from the island on board of the ships. If they found a whale and they needed place to store it, they dump. The tortoise that we have over there, they are the big.
That's Lonesome George.
This is Lonesome George. You can check it out. It's the big iron, the biggest noise. And no, with high altitude, so it was not, you see that you can imagine was living in the lowlands and in castles.
What was his weight?
Was weight, it was about 80 kilos. But when it was racing 110, 150, so that was the problem. That was the all the control, the weight of so yeah, because they needed to keep in shape. So it was they were feeding different food than the other ones. So like papaya and balloon glass.
But it was not weight, not weight.
Yeah, they were all they were from the steroids. Yeah, that happened in humans.
From what's the reason of that for?
The reason there is the adaptations in the place that they were living. What type of vegetation they have. It's mostly, and it's like I said, the finches that they evolve the beaks, for example, and the lizards, the sizes, and also they have different shells. Even they have this to the side of the back, but they have different or at the beach where the world volcano is. And they come all the way down and it's all this legends they got a mix from the different species. Now the scientists go there and they take blood sample of males and females and they must take it here the ones they have the higher genes of the species that we trying to we reproduce them on. Floriana, for example, so they're mixed. But then they found another one with higher DNA of Floriana, and then when they use it, so they must be returning. I don't know when they're going to return this males. That's males. This is the plate. Yeah, some of them just waking up, trying to find some food, like the babies they do. They have this in life, so just go on, just warm up if they need it, or just cool down over there, and stay there. It's very hot. So the activity is just in normal days in Raccoon, 8 o'clock until 11, until 10:30, 11 more or less, and then late afternoon about 4 until 6.
Those tortoises are here for reproduction?
And that's what I said. They always just got them by there, Santiago, they come from Santiago, and that's what Floriana was asking. We had 15 few number of tortoises. That's why we needed to plant this. 1960. So we reproduce here a species from this island, Santa Cruz. Then we have Floriana. We have Santiago and we have Espanol. We end in and we tell you a little bit. When we see that Espanol. So, but we have also another breeding centers, and Isabella, we have also, if you go there, you can see that we reproduce tortoises from the 5 volcanoes, different species that only from Isabella. Then we have San Cristobal, so also yeah, there's a different species now, but the one Floriana, because we don't have the name. So that one is a mix. The Floriana set is mixed with Floriana. that we try to, we reproduce in Floriana, for example, so they're mixed. But then they found another one with higher DNA of Floriana, and then when they use it, so they must be returning. I don't know when they're going to return this. And the snails. The snails, this is the plate. Yeah, some
The tortoises of Santa Cruz Island in the Galapagos archipelago hold a special place in the hearts of conservationists and visitors alike. These majestic creatures, known as Galapagos giant tortoises, are iconic symbols of the region's unique biodiversity and evolutionary history. Historically, tortoises roamed freely across the lush highlands of Santa Cruz Island, grazing on vegetation and shaping the landscape with their grazing habits. However, centuries of exploitation by whalers, pirates, and settlers nearly drove these remarkable reptiles to extinction. Today, efforts to protect and restore the tortoise populations of Santa Cruz Island are underway, thanks in part to the establishment of tortoise ranches. These ranches serve as sanctuaries for tortoises, providing protected habitats where they can roam freely and thrive.
Diego. Okay, Diego, you guys.
Okay. Okay. Diego.
Hello, sir.
Hello.
Welcome. My name is
Okay.
Diego. Okay. Today I'm going to make. Here is the keratin.
Oh,
Yeah, the nails.
oh, no, it's okay.
Nails, sorry, right? The keratin is the outer layer, the tortoise.
Mhm.
Okay? Look
Yeah.
at this here.
Yeah.
Here on the this here is the layer peel off when they die.
Okay.
Only when they die.
Okay.
This is the white different in color of the shell. Okay.
Okay.
This is the complete the bonds. Here the fusion of the keratin and the bornice.
Okay.
Okay.
Right.
This is the only male in the gallery, right?
Oh,
No
this-
female.
Oh, this is the male?
This is male. Male, male, male. Only male in the gallery.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. This is three different. Now it's the male and female.
Mhm.
Okay. This is number one. Obviously, no, the male is large. Okay.
Yeah.
Very large.
Yeah, yeah,
okay?
they're large,
The
yes.
female is small.
Okay.
Very small. Okay. Number two, the male is longer the tail.
Oh,
Okay. Here's the male.
Yeah.
The female is short.
Okay.
Or small.
Yeah.
Okay. Number three.
they have the curve.
Yeah. The male here is concave.
Oh,
The
okay.
female is flat.
Okay. Yeah.
For example, the male is concave here.
Mhm.
Okay, it's necessary in the reproduce in the shell of female.
Yeah.
in the second.
Yeah,
Okay?
yeah,
You can
yeah.
see it's flat.
It's
very
not possible.
impossible. Yeah.
It'll fall down.
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah.
Right?
Managed by conservation organizations such as the Galapagos National Park Directorate and the Charles Darwin Foundation. These ranches play a crucial role in the recovery and preservation of Galapagos giant tortoises. At the tortoise ranches of Santa Cruz Island,
the tribute they have here?
Yeah, there's no curve, so this is female.
It's female?
Yeah.
Really?
Because there's no contour, right?
Visitors have the unique opportunity to observe these ancient creatures up close in their natural habitat. Guided tours offer insights into the tortoise's biology, behavior, and conservation status.
You can smell that we are coming closer. Yeah. They can see that we are here. But, yeah, that shape. Yeah.
Allowing visitors to appreciate the importance of protecting these iconic species. Additionally, visitors can learn about ongoing research and breeding programs aimed at bolstering tortoise populations and restoring their ecological roles in the Galapagos ecosystem. Through education, conservation, and sustainable ecotourism initiatives, the tortoise ranches of Santa Cruz Island are working to ensure a brighter future for Galapagos giant tortoises. By safeguarding these emblematic reptiles and their habitats, these ranches contribute to the overall health and resilience of the Galapagos archipelago, preserving its natural heritage for generations to come.